Michelle with Pink and Main, and I am ready to open day number 7. We're a full weekend now, can you believe it, with opening our 2025 Advent calendar. Let's head down to the table and let's see what day 7 has in store for us. I can't wait. Here we've got day number 7. They say big things come in small packages. Look at this cute little paisley bag. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, and look what we've got. So we've got a set of dies, and these are the coordinating dies for the first 3 stamp sets that you received. So we have the sunflower from day 1, we have the tulip, and then yesterday we opened the poppy, and we have a die for that. So now you can die cut all your fun little flower stamps. Love that. Thanks so much again for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed the first week of opening our Advent calendar for 2025. I can't wait to see what next week has in store. I hope you have a good evening. I'll join you again tomorrow for day number 8. And until then, keep living the creative life.